In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a zero in front of numbers in Google Sheets. Whether you're dealing with area codes, postal codes, or any numerical data that begins with a zero, preserving these leading zeros is crucial for accuracy and professionalism. Fortunately, Google Sheets offers several easy methods to achieve just that, and we'll walk you through each of them step by step. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheet. Once your spreadsheet is ready, select the cell or range of cells that you want to format. This selection is important as it determines where your changes will apply. Next, navigate to the top of your screen and click on Format. From there, go to Number, scroll down, and choose More Formats. A new menu will appear where you'll click on Custom Number Format. In the input field that appears, this is where you'll specify how your numbers should look. For each digit you want to display, you'll enter the number of zeros followed by a pound sign. For example, if you want to display numbers with 4 digits, including leading zeros, you'd enter 0,000 into the field. This ensures that any numbers you enter, even single digits, will display with leading zeros up to 4 figures. After you've input your desired format, simply click Apply. Your numbers should now display with the leading zeros intact. In case you're dealing with text that begins with zeros and you don't want to use a custom number format, you have another option. You can format the cell as plain text. To do this, first select the cells you want to work with. Then, return to the Format menu. Select Number and choose Plain Text. This tells Google Sheets to treat the numbers as text and preserves the leading zeros when you type them in. If you prefer working with formulas, you can use a built-in function to achieve the same result. Simply enter a formula in a new column using the text function. For example, enter a text A1000, where A1 is the cell reference containing your number. This formula ensures that the number gets formatted with leading zeros. Once you've entered the formula, drag the fill handle down from the cell where you typed the formula to apply it to other cells in the column. This allows you to efficiently format a large data set with minimal effort. And there you have it, 3 straightforward methods to ensure your numbers in Google Sheets retain their leading zeros. By following these steps, you'll keep your data in the correct format and ensure it looks professional in any context. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.